ready? Sheeeeeh! Sheeeeeh! What's up, everybody? Welcome to my brand new junior episode. Episode of Open Toys. Junior toys. Okay, first toy we have this bunny first. But then I have this stronger guy. I know he can move. Look. What's up, everybody? If this guy gets 10 million followers, I'm punching this guy in the face. Hey, everybody! Let's see that this toy he talks every time. He don't talk. He don't talk every time. I lost 2 teeth. Then we have this other toy. We'll do with this. Open the mouth. Open the mouth. Now look. It talks. It talks, right? Yeah. I have some more toys in the back. In the back, hold on. Let me try. Let me do it. Okay. First one is to have this monster truck. See, I'm not moving. I'm not even touching. I'm moving for the bottle. Well, look. I'm not even doing that. I'm not even doing that. I thought this toy is a dinosaur. Look. Yours are dogs. Yeah. Hold on. Stop the video. That this toy, yours stops. What? This is another one of these. Hey. Shit, this is my sister. This is my son. You know what? I'm gonna beat you up. He beat something. I got this toy, Power Ranger. I got this ball. How satisfying is that? Ooh, look how satisfying. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay, first we got that toy. Then we have the second toy. Got this toy. And I know I have more bees. Okay, that didn't make no faces. Wee. My spaceship, bro. Oh, stop it. You have his. It crashed. Well, actually, open. He didn't hurt. This will be off. This is for last time. I was like, forced to. Yeah, I thought this pop it. You heard that noise? Pop it. Oh yeah, I popped the whole pop it. You know you heard that noise. That's this monster truck. He's not talking when he has one piece in his mouth. I got this superhero monster truck. But look. Wait, you see it? This is my soul! This is my Okay, I know this is embarrassing. Well, I know. Here. Okay, first I got this. Got this Hot Wheel. Wheel. It crashed. That car crashed. I didn't know it made any sense. I got this one. Okay. Dad got this tape, bro. Is my dad told me what this is. Dad got this. Look. How did I put it? Okay, let's check out this monster truck. Dad got this monster truck. It just turned back. Dad got this. I'm supposed to put something in here. And you, I don't know what you do. I do it. I do it. Okay, I don't know what to do. I do it. Hold on, guys. I'm just so toy. I thought the toy fell on the ground. I thought this. My toy fell. Okay, I got this toy. Look, it's Iron Man. Send me off. Okay.